Dear students, welcome to the next lecture of aromatic hydrocarbons. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about the mechanisms of aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. In this lecture, we shall discuss about the orientation effect of substituents. When a monosubstituted benzene undergoes a further electrophilic attack, the group which is already present on the benzene ring influences the rate of the reaction as well as the site of the electrophilic attack. The substituents that make benzene ring more reactive towards further electrophilic substitution reactions are called activating groups. And those substituents that make benzene ring less reactive towards the further electrophilic substitution are called deactivating groups. Activating groups donate their electron pair to the benzene ring and thus makes the ring more negative and hence increases the reactivity towards electrophilic substitution. Whereas deactivating groups withdraw electron density from the benzene ring and makes benzene ring less reactive towards electrophilic substitution. If the substituent is OH, NH2, etc., the lone pair on the heteroatom is donated to the benzene ring. It is shown here. Here in the case of phenol, the electron lone pair on oxygen atom is donated to the benzene ring and thus makes the ring more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Nitro group is an example for deactivating group because the electron density of the benzene ring is withdrawn by the attached NO2 group and hence the negative charge on the ring decreases and the benzene ring becomes less reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Some substituents tend to direct the incoming groups to their ortho and para positions. Those are called ortho-para directors. OH group, NH2 group, etc. are the examples of ortho-para directors. Certain substituents that tend to direct the incoming groups into meta positions are called meta directors. Carboxylic acid group, that is COOH, and nitro NO2 group, etc. are examples of meta directors. In general, activating groups are ortho-para directors and deactivating groups are meta directing groups. Let us see some examples. When phenol undergoes bromination, the product obtained is 2,4,6-tribromophenol. That is, the substitution takes place at two ortho positions. These are the ortho positions. If this is carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 6 are the ortho positions. And carbon 4 is the para position. Here the substitution takes place at ortho and para positions and the product obtained is 2,4,6-tribromophenol. OH group is an example for strongly activating group, and hence the substitution takes place at the two ortho positions and one para position. Similarly, aniline, where NH2 is the substituent, when brominated, the product obtained is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. CH3 group is an example for weakly activating group. So when toluene, that is the substituent is CH3 on benzene ring, toluene undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, we get a mixture of orthoxylene and paraxylene. That is, the substitution takes place at ortho position and para position. Halogen groups are weakly deactivating groups. These are also ortho-para directors. So when chlorobenzene undergoes nitration, we get a mixture of orthonitro-chlorobenzene and para-nitro-chlorobenzene. COOH is an example for moderately deactivating group, and it is a meta-directing group. When benzoic acid undergoes nitration reaction, we get meta-nitrobenzoic acid as the product. No ortho and para substitutions takes place in this case. Similarly, when NO2 is a substituent, it is a strongly deactivating group, and when nitrobenzene undergoes nitration reaction, we get meta substituent as the product, that is meta-dinitrobenzene. Here also no ortho and para substitutions takes place. If we consider the strongly activating groups like OH, it is ortho-para directing group. This orientation effect can be explained on the basis of the resonance structures. The lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom is donated to the ring, and oxygen gets a positive charge and the ring gets a negative charge, and this negative charge is delocalized across the benzene ring. And if we observe these resonance structures, the negative charge is concentrated at the ortho and para positions, the two ortho and the para positions. An electrophile always likes to attack a negative charge center, and hence these structures facilitates the substitution to take place at the ortho and para positions. Thus, OH substituent is a ortho-para directing group. Very similar resonance structures are obtained in the case of NH2 substituent, that is, the negative charge is concentrated on the ortho and para positions in the resonance structures, and thus NH2 group is also a strong orthopara directing group. As NH2 and OH group release their electrons to the benzene ring, these are the groups which show plus M effect or plus R effect, which we have already discussed in module 1. If we consider weakly activating groups like CH3, CH3 has a plus I effect of electron releasing. Also, this group has the tendency to form hyperconjugation. And due to this hyperconjugation, the negative charge is concentrated on the ortho and para positions, the two ortho positions and the para positions. The three hyperconjugative structures of toluene are shown here, considering the first hydrogen. Similarly, three hyperconjugative structures are possible for the second hydrogen and the third hydrogen. Thus, there are total 9 contributing hyperconjugative structures for toluene, and the negative charge is concentrated on the ortho and para positions, and thus the group is ortho-para directing group. Coming to the meta-directing groups, these groups are electron withdrawing groups from the benzene ring. That is, they show minus M effect or minus R effect. NO2 is an example for deactivating group and it is meta-directing group. The group withdraws electron density from the benzene ring and makes the ring positive. Here, when we observe the resonance structures, it is understood that there is a positive charge at the ortho positions and the para position. And these positions become less reactive towards electrophilic substitution. The electrophile likes to attack the negative charge center of the ring. As the ortho and para positions are positively charged, the possibility for electrophilic substitution to take place at these positions decreases. And hence NO2 will direct the next substitution towards the meta position. And the product obtained is always a meta substituted nitrobenzene.